Hello, Allison here, and in today's video we are going to learn how to sort by a summary field. Let's get started. So to get going, I am going to find the orders in December of 2017 and perform find. And what I am interested in is sorting the records by channel and having the total amounts show and be sorted. So let me explain what I mean by going ahead and going into the sort dialog box and clearing all and choosing channel, because I want to sort by channel. And I also would like the orders to show up in descending order. So I'm going to do that and choose descending. And when I do that, if we scroll to the top, we see Facebook, and it's going alphabetically. And then we see Google, and then the newsletter, and YouTube, which is the alphabetical groupings of these channels. And it's showing us the total volume of sales for the month for that channel. And what I would like to see is to see these channel groupings sorted so that the group with the highest total sales volume appears first. So to do that, we're going to go into sort and select on the channel and choose the option that is under ascending, descending, and custom order, the checkbox reorder based on a summary field. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the list and choose sum total and choose OK. And I want these to be descending so that the highest volume of sales is at the top. And then I choose sort, and when I scroll to the top, sure enough, newsletter and not Facebook is at the top because it has the highest sales volume for the month of December. And if we scroll down, we can then see YouTube. And if we scroll a little further, we see Google search. And then we have Facebook. So that is essentially how you sort by a summary field. And by way of an example of showing you how you can sort by fields other than just total, we'll go into sort, and this time we'll select on channel and specify, and we'll choose sum count and sort. And so now it's ranking the newsletter with 27, and then Google search, and then YouTube, and then Facebook. And you could also choose to select on channel and specify the summary field sum average and sort. And this time we have YouTube has a higher average sale than the other channels, with newsletter coming in next, and then Facebook, and then Google search. So that is a quick tutorial on how to sort by a summary field, which can be super useful at getting a quick assessment of how things are operating and performing. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, if you could please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and you will get notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.